Seemingly today we are engulfed by so many technical problems, but our technicians are working on that particular issue. The Lombard Sunshine Tour has given the Royal Swazi Sun Golf Course a thumbs up ahead of the tournament this coming weekend. We have a report.
The Lombard Sunshine Tour will this weekend take place at the Royal Swazi Sun Country Club, and the tournament is open to international professional golf players and amateurs alike. The winner of this tournament will go home with a sum of 1 million emalangeni. Amateur players played qualifying rounds to take part in the main tournament. Vincent Schafler, who is the media officer of the organizing committee, says they are happy with the condition of the golf course.
Well, we've come to Royal Swazi today for the Lombard Insurance Classic, one of our favorite weeks of the year. The pros love coming here. They get to play with amateurs for the first 2 days. After the cut is made, after the first 2 days, when we go to Sunday, it's just the pros, and they'll play for a nice pot of 1 million rand. So about a fortnight ago, we were here for the Investec Royal Swazi, and we're back here. Course is still in absolutely magnificent condition. Speaking to some of the players already, and they say it's the best condition they've seen the course in the last 5 years. So that's credit to Royal Swazi and all the effort they're putting in here this week.
Meshak Zwane, who will be the only Swazi to play in the competition, says he hopes for the best and that the course is indeed in perfect condition and the competition looks tense indeed.
My player this year, he highly competition, but you go out there and play and see what's coming. Otherwise, I'm hitting the ball kahle, so nangishaya kahle, I thinking that I'm results lapilako. Golf course idlala kahle. Vela kahle kakhulu ama-green. Ngale tournament lena akavamisa ukuthi bakhanza njena. Kahle kakhulu.
Some of the international players we talked to say they love the course as it's at its best condition.
The course is wonderful. The best condition I think I've ever seen it. Looks like you've had lots of rain. The greens are good. The fairways are good. It's going to be a good week.
The course is very nice. It's a strategic course. You have to place the ball. It's lovely up and down. Quite challenging, so I'm looking forward.
Reporting for Swazi TV Sports News, I am Patizwe Msibi with Solsane Mabuza.